Hello everyone, today I will show you how to reduce file size in the Vinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. Change export settings. Go to deliver page, bottom right. Select custom export and set format MP4 smaller than MOV. Codec H.264 or H.265 for better compression. Resolution keep original or lower. Example 1080p instead of 4K. Bitrate enable restrict to and set 10,000 KB per second or 1080p videos, 30,000 KB per second 4K videos. Click add render queue and start render. And that is everything you need to know about how to reduce file size on the video Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.